won. We are stuck behind a herd of cattle. Our captain is eating a Rice Krispie treat. Very good, Captain. We're now here in the scenic city of Rocks.
The guy on the horse ran away from his cow herd.
After a brief trip to Utah. More later. As you can see, we are still stuck behind the cattle.
Look, treasure rock.
We're going to try to go through the cattle.
The truck's still right behind me. Hey, look at that big one, got poo all over his butt.
Are these cows?
The
Or are
truck's
they
on the side of me?
men in leather?
Oh, it's just why they're on the sides of us.
A friendly farm truck has possibly saved our asses. And we are now voyaging through the herd of cattle. I have named this one Joe, after my soon-to-be departed friend of the same name. As you can see, we are hugging the ass of the car in front of us. Ew, that cow's making water, by which I mean peeing.
Yay, we made it. Thank you, man in truck.
Fuck you cows, we're out of here.
They were right there, too.
Yep, that cow went poop alright. So we found the cows again. You might think it's a different herd of cows. We took a wrong turn, and now we're passing through the same herd yet again.
They're not facing us, so they can't see that we're coming.
Here's my good friend Joe. Just drive up on them, Joe. They'll move.
There's a big white truck coming, too.
Here, stick to the side. Try to herd him that way.
There's a truck trying to get through, too.
Well, that cowboy better get off his ass and do his job.
Yeah, where'd he go?
Okay, we'll sandwich the cows between us and the truck. I call it...
Man, I hope that one stays
carburetor.
there while I go through it.
Oh man, you're a fatty, aren't you? Yeah, that's right. You gotta go on Atkins. It's okay, Joe. The trick is to endanger their young. Cows love it when you endanger their young.
On the plus side, that white truck hasn't tried to get through like I have. We're almost through them. Oh look, here's a big parking lot.
Oh. Well, that should make things easier.
These Subarus.
That's true.
No, cow, I'm here. You don't walk in front of me.
It's funny, they're kind of like dinosaurs.
Yeah, it's like we're traveling through Jurassic Park.
Big, beefy dinosaurs.
Oh, I don't think they'd be big.
Man, I'll bet that guy's a rock climber. He looked pretty badass.
Probably. Looks like we made it through the cows easier this time.
Okay, last time. See you later, cows.